Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning, with efforts extending towards students, teachers, and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hi children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Okay, in last class we have studied what numbers of 2000. In that I thought for you 10 digit number means 0 to 9. Then we can make many numbers by using 0 to 9. Then I thought for you greatest and smallest number, how to write greatest and smallest number, that also you studied. Once again, can we repeat? What is the greatest number of single digit? 9. Very good. What is the greatest number of two digit? Yes, 99. What is the greatest number of three digit? Okay, very good. 999. Now you tell me, what is the smallest number of single digit? Yes, 1. What is the smallest number of two digit? It is yes, 10. What is the smallest number of three digit? Yeah, tell me what is? It is 100. Very good children. Then one more concept we learned in last class. That is what? Tell me. Yes, very good. How to write numbers in 100, tens and ones. How to write numbers in tens, 100, tens and ones. So counting numbers also you learned, and how to write the place value, face value, that all you have studied in the last class. Then one more thing, now how to represent 3-digit numbers on the abacus and how to write the number name. That today we can learn. Okay, let's start now. See this abacus. See, this is abacus. We can 3-digit numbers can be arranged in 100. See here, 100 tens and ones. 100 tens and ones. See children, 3-digit numbers can be arranged in 100, tens and ones by using an abacus. It is an abacus. I will show you how to arrange numbers, how you can arrange. See here, first I will put here, see children here, I will put in a ones place, I will put 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 beads I put here. See next I will take here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here ones place how many are there? 3. Here 4. Next I will take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See. Now you tell me in the 100 place. See here. Can you see? Here Here 100 place. Can you see now, children? Here 100 place. How many are there? 5. How many are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 5. Next, here. See here. Here how many are there? See 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here 1, 2, 3. Then how you can write this? How you can write for this number and how you can write for the number name? Do you know how to write? See, what is the number name in the 100 place? See, here I will write here 100 tens ones. In the 100 place, how many are there? 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3. Understood, children? Here 5, 4, 3. Means what is the number name of this? Do you know? Anyone can tell? What is the number name of this? Anyone? Can you tell? Yes, very good. What is this? Tell me. 5 is 100. Means what is that? How to write? 500. How to write this? 500. 500. Very good. 4 is in tens. Means what? 4 is in tens. Means what? 4 is in tens. Means what, dear children? What is that? 40. Very good. 4 in tens means that is 40. And 3 is ones. Means it's a very good. That is 3. Understood now, children? See here. Here you are getting here only 5, 4, 3. In the 100 place 5, tens place 4, here ones place 3. So 543. See 543. See children, 5 is 100, 500 and 500 and 4 is tens. So it is a 40. It is 40. Then 3 is ones. That is 3. See how to read this number. You can read this number very easily. See, you can read this very easily. How to read this? Here using this abacus. 100, tens and ones. Here 100 place 5. Here tens place 4. Here ones place 3. So 543. What is that? Repeat it, children. Very good. 543. Got it now, children? How to write the number name? Got it now, children? Okay. Now I will remove. See. See now. See now. Now how many are there? See children, how many are there? In the 100 place, how many are there? See here, 100 place, how many are there? Can you tell? 100 place, how many are there? See, 4. Here, tens place, how many? Very good, 2. Here, ones place, how many? Can you tell? Ones place, how many? Yes, how many are there? 2. So, you can write here. See, understood now, children? Understood the? It is, see here, 4, 2, 2. Understood now? Okay, now how to write these number names? See here, 100, tens. How many are there? Here you see in the 100 place, how many are there? Yes. 100 place, how many are there?
4. Tens place 2. Ones place 2. Understood now, children? Here 100 place 4. Tens place 2. Ones place 2 beads are there like this. Now you can write number name very easily. How? See, 4 is the which place? 4 is in the 4 is in the 100 place. Very good. 400. 400. 400. And 2 is in which place? Tens place. 2 tens means, and see 2 tens means 20.
22. Understood, dear children? Do you have any doubts in that? See, do you have any doubts? Here, see, using abacus, how to write the number names and numbers according to place value. Sometimes they will give number name, you have to write numbers. Sometimes they will give numbers, you have to write number name. Like these only you have to write. See here, 543. According to place value, you can write. It is very easiest method. Understood, no? You can write this method like this. 543 means 543. Next, 422. 422 means 422. You can write this number name like this. It is very easy method. If you understand this method, you can write it. See. Next, one more example. Okay, children. Now, open your textbook. Dear children, now open your textbook. Page number 71. Can you see? Can you see, children? Open your textbook, page number 71. See here, up they given some exercise problem. See here, up they given some exercise problem. You should solve it now. I will tell you how to write this. You can write it now. Okay, dear children, please open your textbook. Please open your textbook, page number 71. Now I will start. You should start it. Okay, you can start to write now. Okay. Now first you look at the blackboard first. After I finish, you can start to write. Okay. Okay. Now first one you see. Here first one. Here they given number. Then here you should write number name. Here first one red color. See here red. In the ones place red bead on the textbook. Okay. First I will write this. How to write I will tell you. Like that only you should write in your textbook. Okay. Just okay. Now see the look at the blackboard. Here you see ones place. How many beads are there in the ones place? How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many beads are there in the ones place? 6. How many beads are there in the ones place? 6. Then see here tens place. How many beads are there in tens place? Everyone count it now. Please count it, everyone. Count it now. How many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many beads are there? 8. Then see here 100 place. How many beads are there in the 100 place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many beads are there? 5. Now you can write the number name. Tell me, children. Now you tell me what is the number name? Yes, very good. What is the number name? 500. 500 and very good. 500 and tell me 500 and yes 80. 86. 586. Next, tell me second one. See here, second one. Second exercise. See here. How many beads are there in the ones place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the ones place, how many are there? 7. In the tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tens place, 4. Then now 100 place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 100 place 7. 7. Now tell me number name. How to write number name? Yeah, tell me Chick. Very good. What is this? 700. 700. And 47. Next, Third one. See, in the third one, see how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many beads are there? 7 beads. Then here you see tens place. How many beads are there in the tens place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many beads are there in the tens place? 5. Next, hundred place. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many beads are there? 4. Understood now? Now, write the number name. What is the number name? 400. 457. Understood now children? 457. Next, fourth one you see. Fourth one you see. How many beads are there in the ones place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many beads are there in the ones place? 5. How many beads are there in the tens place? 1, 2. Then how many beads are there in the hundred place? 5. Understood now? So, then how to write number name here? Yes, very good. 500. 525. 525. Understood now children? 525. See here 1, 2. Here 4 exercises they give on. Here I thought for how to write the number name. How to write numbers and numbers name. Yeah, now you, I hope everyone understood how to write the numbers and number name. I hope everyone are writing in your textbook also. Very good children. You all are writing, I know. Very good. You continue this. See, 4 exercises are there. You should write number name like this and number name like this and numbers like this. Understood now? If you write like this, if you practice, you can learn very early and you can learn it very easily. Understood now? Okay. See now, here in that down you see here numbers from 100 to 200. Sit. Don't open. See here. See here numbers. How to here they given? It's like your square number. You all are writing your mathematics problems all in your square line books. Yes or no? Yes. Like that on your books pages. How your book pages are there? Like that all it is there here. Like that only you should write it here. Here they give on. See, fill in the missing numbers. They give us some numbers inside the boxes. You should missing numbers. You should write it. Here 100 to 200. You should write it now. So 100. First see here. They given here 101. Yeah, now please open your textbook. Everyone write it. Open your textbook and write it everyone. 101. Next write it. You see this number should be inside the box. It should not go next box. So 101. 102. See, it's should be inside the box only. Some will write out of that next box, should not write. It should be inside the box. 100, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109 and 110. Like that only you continue. See, 111, it should be inside the box, should not go next box or should not come out of the box. It should be inside the box. You should write in your CWS like this same way. 112, 113, 114, all are writing children. 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Next, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Everyone are writing? Next, 131, 132, 133, 134. Read and write, children. 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. Next, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Are you all writing now? Like that only in your CW also same way you should write. 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160. Next, 161, 162, 163, 164, 65, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170. Are you all writing now, children? Who is not writing? Anybody else? All are writing? Next, 171, 172, 173, 174, 75, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180. Next, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190. 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200. Understood, children? Are you all writing now? Do you have any doubts? You should write. See, it is like your square line book. So you should write like same way in your CW also. Now you write it this all in the textbook. They given in textbook places also. You write it there only. Okay. Then this also you write it. Here also it is there, and here also it is there. You write it these two exercise. Next, see on this numbers they asked some questions here. They asked some questions here. See here. See what comes after, what comes before, what comes in between. After, before, between, after. See here. Here number 1, 2, 3. You know 1, 2, 3. What is the 2? Before number is 1. 2 after number is 3. 2 before number is 1. 2 after number is 3. after is next number. So 1 and 3 between number is 2. 1 and 3 between number is 2. Understood now children? So page number 72. Page number 72. Here page number 72. Here up you see. Some exercise they given here. You should write the answer. Some exercise they given here. See, I think this all you completed.
See children, page number 72. Page number 72. Yes, they given some exercise. Can you see now? Here they given some exercise. See what comes after. First one, see. What comes after? What comes after? Here you see what comes after. What is the number name? Can you tell anybody? Can you tell anybody? What? Very good. What is the number? 121. 121. What comes next? What comes 121 after what number comes? See, 121 is here. Understood now? 121 is here. After the number, what number? What is that? Yes, very good. 22. 22. This is second one you see. What is the number name of this? What is the number name of this? 133. 133. Yeah, no? 133. See, 133. What comes next? Very good. 134. Understood no? 134. Here 195. See 195. What? See. What comes after? 195 after. What comes? 196. 196. 196. It's a what comes after. After means you should take next number. What number they have given, that the next number you have to take. It is what comes next means after means you will get that number. Here 121 after 122. 133 after 134. Next 195 after 196. Understood no? Now you see here what comes before. What comes before means first one. Means what number they given, that front, that first one number you have to take. Here you see 108. Here what is that number? 108. Then before number what number comes? See 108 is here. After means next number you have to take. But here they asked what number comes before. See this before number is, what is that? Yes, very good. 107. Understood children? 107. Now you see first B1 179. 179. Here it is 179. Yeah, correct. Answer is correct. 179 before number 178. Understood now? Next C1 is dash. 198 before number 198 before, what is that? Yes, very good. 197. Understood now children? Okay. Next you see what comes in between. What comes in between? What comes in between? We know children? See 106 and 108. 106 and 108 between 106 and 108
107. See, second one you see, B1. 113 and 115, between 113 and 115. 13 and 115, between which number will come? Yes, 114. C1 you see. 136 and 138. 136 and 138. Which number will come? Yes, 137. 137. Like this, you have to write the number. Then you have to answer these questions. What comes after? What comes before? What comes in between? If you know the number, you can write it very easily. If you know the number this, you can write it very easily. Now you understood? What and all you understood now? How to write the numbers, then how to write the number name, then how to write the numbers in the boxes. Means how to write in your CW. Like this way only you have to write in your CW. Means numbers also you should write in this one box only. Like this only you have to write in your CW. Then how to write before, after, between the number. Means if they give one number, write it next number or before number or after number if you write this. Like this only. If you know the number means you can write it very easily. Understood no? Understood children? Okay. Now okay children? Finish madam. Okay children, today this much is enough. Means what you have learned, one is writing numbers from 100 to 200, just 100 to 200 you learn. Next class more it is there. So then how to write numbers name before, after and between, that also you should learn. So this only, but you should recall this and revise 2-3 times, and then see if you revise only you can get it very you can get clearly. So you should revise this, revise it once, and you should write this all clearly and neatly. Understood now? Okay, we will meet in next class.